aspects under wave. The aspect that we want to talk about now is what? Reflection of light wave. What did I say? Reflection of light wave. Under the reflection of light wave, we have the rough surface. You know, we have two different types of surface, rough and smooth surface. We have the rough surface. Then we have where this one in the middle is what? Is normal. This one is what? Is I. Y here is what? Is R. Angle here is here. Angle is here. Angle is here. Here is what? G. Here is also G. The angle here is what? Angle of deflection. I is equal to what? Angle incidence. Incidence. Angle of incidence. How? Is what? Angle of what? Reflection. Y small letter G. That is angle of what? Glance. Angle of glance. While the last one is what? Angle of what? Deviation. Angle of what? Angle of deviation. From laws of reflection. Reflection has two different laws. The first law states that angle of incidence, angle of reflection and normal all lie on the same line. All lie on the same line. The second law states that angle of incidence is equal to angle of what? Reflection. E.g., I is equal to R. If I is equal to 30 degrees, R is also 30 degrees. Are you getting me? If a question, if you are be given here, and the person asks us to calculate for the angle of glance, you know, the angle of glance is what? Here is 90 degrees. Then we just need to subtract what we are be given for 90 degrees. That's what will be the angle of what? Angle of glance. That is why to calculate for the angle of glance, we can have G plus I plus R plus G is equal to what? 180 degrees, because they are all lie on the what? On the same line. Then the line where the line on is what? Is angle on the straight line. The angle on the straight line is what? Is 180 degrees. It means that everything here is equal to 180 degrees. If the question says our height is equal to 50 degrees, we should calculate for what? For angle of glance. We just say that G plus what is our I? 50 plus, recall that I is equal to how? When our height is 50, how is also what? 50. Plus G is equal to what? 180 degrees. 50 plus 50, 100. Plus G, 2G is equal to 180 degrees. 2G is equal to 180 minus 100. 2G is equal to what? 80. Then 2 divided by G is equal to what? 40 degrees. 40 degrees. The question can also ask you to calculate for the angle of deviation. Angle of deviation is equal to 2G. Angle of deviation is equal to 2G, or angle of deviation is equal to 2 I minus theta. 2I minus what? 2I minus theta. Is either angle of deviation is equal to 2G, or angle of deviation is equal to what? 2I minus theta. If you want to apply this formula where angle of deviation is 2G, what is our G? 40. 2 times 40, 80. Angle of deviation is what? Is 80. Now, let's look at another question. Angle of deviation is equal to 2G, or angle of deviation can be what? 180 minus 2I. If you want to apply this formula to get the angle of deviation, where our high is what? What is our high? Our high is, where's our high? It's not this one. Our high is what? Is 50. The angle of deviation is equal to 180 minus 2 times 50, 100. Angle of deviation is equal to what? 180 minus, that is what? That is 80. Then if you apply this formula, or you apply this formula, you are going to get the same answer for the angle of what? For the angle of deviation. The last part that I want to talk into today is Image formed by inclined mirrors. Image formed by inclined mirror. Image formed by inclined mirror is given by what? It's given by n is equal to 360 divided by theta minus 1, where n is equal to number of image. Number of image or number of images. That is where I'm going to stop class for today. Next time I will continue from concave mirror, spherical mirror, which are concave mirror and convex mirror. As we all know that concave mirror is also called what? Is also called converging mirror, and convex mirror is what? Is also called diverging mirror. Now let's now talk about this. N is what? Number of image. Then number of image is equal to 360 over what? Over theta minus what? Minus 1. Let me quickly solve a question or two questions based on this one. Let's listen to the question. The question said that a candle is placed between two mirrors which are inclined at an angle of 72 degrees. We have been given our angle is equal to what? 72 degrees, and facing each other, how many images? The question asks what? To find image, which is what? Which is n is what? Or no. Therefore, our formula n is equal to 360 divided by what? What is our theta we have been given? 72 minus what? Minus 1. N is equal to 360 divided by 72. 360 divided by 72. 5 minus 1. Number of image is what? Number of image is what? Is 4. It means that if we have been given number of image as 4 and the person has to calculate the angle of inclination, which is what? Which is theta. But yeah, let's assume that our number of image is 4. 4 is equal to 360 divided by theta minus 1. I know some of you don't know mathematics. You don't know mathematics. You can cross multiply here, because multiply you miss it. Because you have to know that this is what you are going to do is you are going to collect the like times. Because here is what? Here is number, and also we have number here. It means that if this number come here, it will be what? 4 plus 1 is equal to 360 divided by theta. Then 5 over 1 is equal to 360 divided by theta. Cross multiply. 5 theta is equal to what? 360. Divide both sides by what? By 5. Theta is equal to 360 divided by 5. Let's see. 360 divided by 5. Is 360 divided by 5 give what? What is that on the screen? Can't you see it? It is what? It is 70 what? 72 degree. It means that when we have been given a question where our theta is 72 degree and the question asks us to calculate what? For the number of image, we get 4 as our number of image. And I record the question or rewrite the question or rephrase the question that let's assume that we are not be giving the image, we are not be giving the number of image. Let's assume that we are be giving number of image, but we are not be giving what? We are not be giving theta. That is why I solve it like this, and we also get what? 72 degree. It means that what is correct. Therefore, those of you that want to write jam, make sure that you follow this class to be able to solve many questions on what? On wave. I told you earlier that wave is very, very simple and simplest. In nutshell, if you need any assistance, you can WhatsApp me on this number. Even Taiwo online tutorial and offline tutorial, if you need any assistance, you can WhatsApp on this, or if you have any question which you don't understand how to solve, you can send it to this number. I wish you all the best. Good.